before we start our upgrade, I will show you my system is pre-installed with 8 gigabits, 8 GB of RAM. So the first step is shut down your laptop. Make sure it's completely off. Then place it under a soft cloth with flipping it over. And I have used this 199 rupees. I'll put the link in description. So this tool came very handy to me. It has 32 different types of screws and sizes. I'll be using PH00. So it's very simple to set up. You pull the clutch sleeve back, and then you insert the screw, which connects automatically with the help of magnet. And then we'll start unscrewing. It has total of 11 screws to be taken down, and the best part of this tool is it comes with a magnet tip, so the screws won't fall. Remove all the screws, and even I had to avoid the warranty. No problem. And to slightly remove this, I'll be using some ATM card I have with me. So start from the bottom, don't go from the exhaust side, come from the where you place your palms, because that place is flexible and it's easy to remove. And slowly, gently try to make your way around, and be careful with the Ethernet port, because it has a spring and it's connected to the bottom panel. So try to try to be gentle and have patience. Slowly remove it. And when I opened the panel, I could see a little bit of dust. So the main thing I'm checking for is for any battery problems, such as any bulginess. And one more thing, you have to disconnect the battery connector. So then I did a clean inspection, and the main point of this clip is to show you guys that there will be a lint and dust near the hinges of the laptop, and even the fans look a bit dirty. And check for the dust accumulation in the main board, motherboard. And yeah, here you can see the SSD, and upon that towards left a small Wi-Fi card is there. And yeah, even dust and lint were there on this side of the hinges too. So make sure to remove them before you put the back panel. And here you see the speakers and a HDD bay. And I did 8 GB RAM from Crucial 32 megahertz. I'll be installing that. So I got it for 1500 rupees. I think it's a pretty good deal. But the delivery was late. It took me around 4 to 5 days. And do a quick inspection, and before you put it motherboard, see for the RAM slot there will be shorter side and longer side, and same with the RAM slot, there will be shorter and longer side. Make sure you properly align them. And when you properly align them, you hear a click sound. Make sure it's tight and there is no loose contacts. So yeah, that's it. RAM upgrading is pretty much done. And before I could close the panel, I brushed the dust off with my little painting brush. Also use little hand blower to get the things out. And before you push, just make sure you align the panel perfectly. make sure it's secured and locked. While screwing it back, make sure to put screws in diagonal way. By doing this, it applies even pressure on both the ends, and so yeah, there are pretty much 11 screws. Try putting them back. Yeah, you can see I did blow a little dust, and you can see that on the screen. See, 16 GB is detected. Make sure you check this before you put the back panel once. Thank you.